Hey, so you need some crypto coins, right? If you don't know how to do it, don't worry. You will have them by the end of this video, just follow me. Now we're going to acquire energy coins, but this buying process applies to pretty much all cryptocurrencies, which by the way, you can start buying them with as little as a few bucks. So let's do it the conventional way. Now we start by opening a Coinbase account, and this is the exchange where we will buy Bitcoin. Then we will go to CryptoBridge to buy energy, and we will then send our coins to our wallet. Now why are we doing these 3 steps instead of buying it directly? Well, this is because energy cannot be bought with traditional fiat money yet. It can only be bought with Bitcoins, and this is why you must first get Bitcoin. So let's do it. Okay. I have chosen to use Coinbase.com. So what I like about this exchange is that you can buy cryptos with different payment methods, like wire transfers or credit cards. Now in step 1 is to open a Coinbase account. All we need to do is fill out the form. So first name, second name, email, choose a password for your Coinbase account. We then check the boxes and create your account. So step 3 is to verify your email. You need to go to your email inbox and click on the verify email address. Okay, phone verification. So we type our phone number to receive a code number, and you should have an SMS with the code on your phone. It might take a few minutes, so make sure you have signal. We type it in, and here we go at the ID verification point. If you're not familiar with that, this is done because companies in the financial sector, they're heavily regulated. They're obligated by law to ask for this documentation. So as you can see, we can verify our identity with either ID or driving license. If you don't have a webcam or your webcam has a very low resolution, what we can do is we can do the process with our phones, which normally have better cameras. The reason is because everything must be readable for them. If you are at home, you can put some light until it looks good. This verification could take a few minutes, sometimes a few days. Now that we have our Coinbase account created, we need to add a payment method. Let's see what payment methods they have. So they have bank wire or credit card. Wire transfer will probably take a few days and might have a little fee on it, or you can purchase directly with a credit card. This is instant but has around a 4% fee. So to buy cryptos using a bank transfer, all we're doing is transferring funds to Coinbase, and then once the funds have arrived, we go ahead and make our purchase. All we need to do is follow the indications. Wait until the money arrives to your Coinbase account. It will show up here. To buy cryptos using your credit card, what we're going to do is we're going to send funds to our USD wallet to later buy cryptos from there. Okay, same thing. All we need to do is follow the indications. You will see what the fee for credit cards is before accepting it. Once we receive our funds, we can go ahead and buy cryptos. Click on the buy and sell tab. For this video, I'm going to buy Bitcoin. I'm going to buy $3,000 US worth of Bitcoin, but you can buy as much or as little as you want. This here is what I get for my $3,000 US. If we click on buy, we now have Bitcoin. Here in the accounts, you have your Bitcoin. Now, you're ready for the second step when we finally get our hands on energy cryptocurrency. We're going to leave Coinbase and go to CryptoBridge, a real crypto-to-crypto exchange to get our energy coins. Firstly, don't close this window. Just open a new tab and type crypto-bridge and click on Launch Dex and create an account. You will not be asked for your ID or personal information this time. However, as you are now fully responsible, you'll need to take care of your own security. So type a username. This is the automatic password that is generated for you, and you'll be asked for it during the process, so save it somewhere and paste it here to confirm it. Alright, here we are. Now the next thing to do is to find the button that says deposit and click on it. Now in here you need to type BTC, which means Bitcoin, and click on generate new address. Okay, so this is your CryptoBridge Bitcoin address, and here is where your Bitcoins are going to arrive, so let's copy it carefully. Now let's go to the Coinbase page and into our Bitcoin wallet. Then click on send, and all we need to do is paste our CryptoBridge Bitcoin address. I always like verifying that it is well copied. So I check on CryptoBridge Exchange the first 3 digits and the last 3 digits, 31W and ZJL. Then I go to Coinbase and verify that the digits match 31W and ZJL. Good, send. Alright, once we have received our funds, click on the button that says exchange. Don't be scared by all these metrics. Just type on the search bar NRG. There we have it. So if we scroll down, here we have people buying and here we have people selling. Here someone is selling some energy coins. These ones here at the top are the cheapest, so if you click on this sell order, you will see it automatically fills this thing. If you click on buy, you will automatically get them. If a message saying insufficient balance pops up, just click here on your Bitcoin balance and then click on buy. So let's buy this. You now own the coins. Look here, this is your energy balance. If you still have funds, you can keep buying. You will see your energy balance augmenting. Done. Welcome to the energy world. The best part is yet to come though. In the next episode, I will show you how to use your desktop wallet. But before, let's take our Energies out of the exchange wallet. Let's send them to our Energi desktop wallet, and I'll show you how. All we need to do is to click on the Withdraw tab. Select Energi and click on Withdraw Now. To withdraw your full balance, click on Available. Next, you need to type in your Energi wallet address. I have mine on my email. I sent it to myself, as I showed you in the previous episode. Do you remember? You copy it and you paste it on CryptoBridge. A little verification. Perfect. Then click on Withdraw. The coins are now in your Energi desktop wallet, but bear in mind that they can take a few minutes to arrive. I hope you're excited with your Energi investment, and if so, please give this video a thumbs up and let me know in the comments if you think now as an investor you are ready to hold the ups and downs in this roller coaster you jumped into. I'll see you in the next episode. Thank you.